Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get free shipping on SHEIN. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the tips and tricks to save on your orders and get the most out of your shopping experience. SHEIN typically offers free shipping to new customers for their first purchase, so you can sign up with an email address that is not already associated with a SHEIN account to qualify. When you sign up as a new customer on SHEIN, you often receive a voucher for free shipping on your first order. So this is an easy way to get free shipping right off the bat. And if you already have used your new customer voucher or you're looking for another way to get free shipping, you can do so by spending at least $29. Now any order over $29 automatically qualifies for free shipping, and orders above $129 automatically qualify for free express shipping. This is probably the easiest way to get free shipping on SHEIN if your budget allows for it. You can also create a new account. SHEIN typically offers free shipping to the new customers, so you can sign up with an email address that is not already associated with a SHEIN account to qualify. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.